Thank you. Bonjour. Salut.
Understood. Don't just stand
Hello.
around.
Yeah, the Hanzo destroyed me. Destroyed all our team actually.
It got me the worst.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
We all have our jobs to do.
Thank you, my friend.
Just like in training. Visualize, then execute.
Play some range. Let's see what happens.
4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture.
Where are we going?
objective
I'm going bottom.
I'll distract them up top.
Right, I'm going bottom as well.
Hanzo up top. Healing. Armor.
Zen's very low up there.
Soldier half.
Oh my god, he got a headshot.
Rendez-vous avec la mort.
This guy's.
Thank you.
Zen's dead, nice one. Zen got res, watch out. Nice one, Gypsy, good job.
Soldier half.
Damn it, that Hanzo.
They're all on point.
1 point.
That was a healing orb.
Healing field. What the hell? What the hell?
Okay, something very
Say that,
weird
say that.
happened then. He killed me from the grave.
No one can hide from my sight.
He literally killed me from the grave.
Get on the point.
I claim this objective. Start with me.
1 point. Nice one. Nice one.
He used a sonic arrow from the grave to kill me. Like he died and then 3 seconds later,
The payload.
when my shield was down, an arrow hit me.
Oh, did you put your shield down?
They don't sound like arrows.
No, but he was dead. He was dead.
No, but the sonic arrow actually persists. It's the only one that does that.
What do you mean persists?
If it gets
You have to die.
right, kill them all.
Locked
Ah, that's a bad deal.
and loaded.
So,
How does he have another all?
Something suspicious going on here. I'm not saying that just because we're getting our asses whooped as well.
Attention, tu mets le pied.
The fact that he's a good player, you know.
you're very low.
Riser.
Alright, very low. He's dead. He was down back.
Rien ne peut plus m'arrêter.
Just watch your kill cam next time. He kills you.
I need healing.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Shield's coming down for a bit while I'm recharging.
Right, we're getting greedy soon, guys. Get ready, get ready.
Well,
Oh no, there's nobody
behind
here.
her.
They're on top.
Payload's moving out. Keep it covered.
Let 'em out, I've got a shot.
3, 2, 1.
It will.
Oh, what was I doing?
No one can hide from my sight.
Get out of my way or I'll run you over.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Was my grav at all useful there? I don't think it was.
We were a bit far away, but
Essayons encore une fois.
Healing field here.
Another one.
God,
Oh, sorry. I thought that was our mercy. My bad. Oh no, right there.
3, 2, 1.
Get this mini diva. Get the Mercy.
Oh fuck, Mercy gone.
Mercy's dead.
That's fine, that's fine. Did we get the point?
Got Hanzo.
Carry on the
Yeah, we
point.
did.
That's fine.
What's this guy doing?
Need healing, whoever our healers are.
Healer's coming back.
We had a Moira
Going on
there,
here?
but she just wasn't healing. Right. I don't know.
We're just spawn while we try to do.
I've sighted the enemy.
Moving the payload now.
The best offense is a good defense.
We staggered too, so. Oh, come on!
How did he know I was coming from there?
Because he's got
On the
Sonic
camera?
arrows. Stop accusing this guy of cheating. He's not.
There was that kill was
But
dodgy.
annoying.
I'll
that
explain
sounds-
how it works later, but that.
I know, I understand the concept of arrows bouncing,
No one
right?
No, it's not a bounce. It was stuck in your shield, but when you lowered your shield, it fell out of your shield and hit you in the head.
If I recorded it. Because it wasn't immediately after I put my shield down.
Who's behind us?
Shield's coming down.
fire at will.
No.
Come on. How does he have so many ults?
About.
Screw up.
Because he's literally carrying their entire team.
Come on.
Double kill.
He's super greedy.
Alright, let's go.
He's just taking the piss out of us now.
He's very low.
Yeah, but none of you can hit him.
He's
Alright,
dead, he's dead. Mercy's rezzing him. Is it
Punishing
finisher?
him because
Yeah.
that's the only thing
We'll
she's
punish
him.
ever
There we go.
looking for.
There we go. Alright, I've got my ult.
No one.
Saving us.
No, that's impossible. Come on.
This is like a boss level.
I've got my ult. Let's fall back. Need to get past this. Go!
Is approaching its 60 seconds.
Zen. Give me field here. Nice on.
Yes.
It's like 1v6 here, 1v6.